Number 1. Height Increased Insoles. This height increasing insole has multiple sizes for people to choose from. After wearing it, it can improve your image, enhance your self-confidence, and make you feel happy. The selling price of this product is $23. The cost price is $12, and the profit margin is $11. If you're looking for a $10 plus profit product, this will be a good choice. Number 2. Heated Eyelash Curler. This powerful, easy-to-use heated lash iron will give you perfect lashes in just minutes, support data line charging and recycling, and it is very convenient to carry. The selling price of this product is $17. The cost price is $7, and the profit margin is $10. Number 3. Snatched Bodysuit. Wearing this tights can make you have a perfect figure and become confident from now on. It is available in a variety of sizes, and the product can be replaced if the size does not fit within 30 days. The product sells for $37, costs $10, and has a profit margin of $27. Number 4. Arctic Rings 50-pack. This ring set has a variety of styles and a wide audience. And the variety of styles has greatly increased its sales and return rates. The product sells for $28, costs $15, and has a profit margin of $13. Number 5. Magev Moon Lamp. This is a new product for the first time on the market. Very interesting, fast shipping and good profit margins. The product sells for $150, costs $98, and has a profit margin of $52. If you want to know more about the product, follow me or go to pipiads.com.